Welcome to Video Corner. Today, we're preparing a traditional South American favorite, asado. Known for its smoky flavor and slow cooking over open fire, asado is the heart of family gatherings across South America. Let's get started. Start by choosing high-quality cuts of beef, such as ribs, short ribs, or flank. Pat the meat dry and season generously with coarse salt. Remember, in asado, simplicity is key. The salt enhances the flavor without overpowering the natural taste of the meat. Next, light a wood or charcoal fire. Allow the flames to settle down until you're left with glowing embers. Authentic asado is cooked low and slow over coals, never over direct flames. Now, place the meat on the grill, bone side down if using ribs. Keep the grill about 20 to 30 centimeters above the embers to prevent burning. Traditionally, the meat is cooked uncovered, giving it that unique smoky flavor. Allow the meat to cook slowly, turning it only once during the process. Depending on thickness, it may take 1 to 2 hours. To keep it moist, baste occasionally with a simple mix of water and salt. When the meat is golden brown and carries that rich, smoky aroma, remove it from the grill. Slice and serve with chimichurri sauce, fresh salad, and bread, the true South American way. And that's how you prepare authentic asado, a dish that brings people together around the fire. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more global cooking traditions. See you in the next video.